Hi students, Love Potion number 9 is a piece, it's kind of Valentine's Day-ish, Love Potion number 9, by the Searchers. And this is a really cool looking arrangement. It's 2 pages. The whole song is 1 minute and 57 seconds long. But there is an error here. Instead of B flat 7th, which is the first finger across the first fret, it's actually a B 7th. So it looks like this. It's the first finger across the second fret, and then your second finger plays the C string on the 3rd fret. It's right here. You have D minors, and the E7th. First finger here on the 4th string, second finger, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and ring finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string. Let's look at the whole song in general. And it's kind of a novelty tune. I took my trouble. So A minor. Oh, the strum for this should be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I took my troubles down to Madame Ruth. You know that gypsy with the gold cap tooth. She's got a pad down on 34th Vine, selling little bottles of Love Potion number 9. Now let me stop. That last line, you abruptly tacit. You don't play after the Love Potion number. And then at 9 you come in 2 measures of A minor. 2nd measure. I told her that I was a flop with chicks. I've been that way since 1956. She looked at my palm and she made a magic sign. Said what you need is Love Potion number 9. She bent down and turned around, gave me a wink. Said I'm gonna make it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine, it looked like Indian ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I kissed the cop down on 34th Vine, he broke my little bottles of Love Potion number 9. Love Potion number 9. Love Potion number 9. All right, cool little tune. Have fun.